Right, is the first one just get the A, B and the C? It is, isn't it? Yeah? Yeah, so we have to solve x squared plus 6x plus 2 equals A, x plus 1 squared, plus B, x minus 2, x plus 1, plus C, x minus 2. So if I want to get the A, what should I let x equal to first? If I say let x equal to 2, that means I'll get 2 squared is 4, 6 by 2 is 12, 12 plus 4 is 16, plus 2 is 18, equals 9a. So a is 2 firstly. Now to get the b, I'd have to do, well, I think I'll get the c next. I'll let x equal to minus 1. So that would be 1 plus 2 is 3, minus 6 is minus 3, and x is minus 1. They all cancel, minus 3c, c is 1. I can use anything for x now to get the last one. X equals 0. So I have 2 equals a, which is 2, plus b times minus 2, plus c times minus 2. So I'll get b equals minus 1. Correct, KJ? So here 2. Now we want to integrate. So they want us to integrate from 3 to 4a over x minus 2 plus b over x plus 1 plus c over x plus 1 squared dx. Well, this first one will just be 2 log x minus 2 minus log x plus 1. Any ideas on how to do this one? Very good. It's a substitution with u equal to, do you know, Takan? X plus 1. X plus 1. So, after you use the substitution, you will get... no. Stop talking! I'm trying to do it in my head. No, you didn't. And then we have to integrate that. 1 over x plus 1. No. Minus 1 over x plus 1. What's it in the book? Is it this? I'll do it on the side really quickly for KJ since he was having trouble. 1 over x plus 1 squared dx, and u equals x plus 1. So what does du dx equal? So what does du equal? Dx. So this is 1 over u squared du, which is u to the minus 2 du, which is u to the minus 1 over minus 1, which is minus 1 over x plus 1. That's why I have the minus, KJ. See, you did it in your head too quick. Right, so if I go back here, what are the limits?
3 to 4.
Yeah, 3 and 4. So if I put in 4 first, I'll get 2 log 2 minus log 5 minus 1 over 5. And then if I put in 3, I get 2 log 1 minus log 4 minus 1 over 4. Well, log 1 is 0, so that's great. The 2 goes up here to make a square. That's a log 4 plus a log 4. That's a log 16 over 5. Minus a fifth plus a quarter. A quarter minus a fifth. Is that a 20th? Is this right, please? Check. I'm so tired.
Yes.
It is? Wow. Surprised myself that time.
One over 5 minus 1 over 4.
I'll just wait for you to catch up.
Leave 1 is 0.
This is awkward because you have a calculator. They want the answer left like this, KJ. I'll just wait until you're ready. Minus a fifth plus a quarter. Yeah, just Barry Allen that question. Continue. Right, integration by parts next. For x e2x dx. So I'll do it with the table. What's f? F derivative, g derivative, and g 1 over 2 e2x. I don't know what you said, but it wasn't that. F g minus f derivative g. This will be 2x e2x minus 2 integrate e2x dx. So the answer is 2x e2x minus e2x plus c. Or if you want, and be fancy, that's 2x minus 1 e2x plus c. What's the answer, KJ? No, not your answer, that answer. It could be. You made a mistake with 2, didn't you? What's the right answer?
2x e2x minus. Basically that's what the expanded paper.
Yeah, no, but I stopped here, but I decided to write that.
Yes, correct.
Right, the next one.
No, it's wrong. Where is it? 2. I got the e2x.
This one?
No, the second is wrong before.
Which one are you saying is wrong?
The first one.
This one?
Yes.
Is this part right?
Yes.
Is this part right?
And
They have a 2 here?
yes.
Are you sure?
Yes. I have a 2 as well. See that?
This 2?
Yes.
Yeah, but this integrates to e2x over 2. So the 2.5 cancels. But I'm more concerned that their answer has a 2 in it. Does it?
No, you're supposed to integrate.
What? What's the answer in the book? Here, I'll go back. I'll leave my answer like this. Right, what's the answer in the book?
2x e2x
Yeah.
minus
Yeah.
2e2x plus c.
Show me the marking scheme.
Let's solve this English now.
I think he made a mistake. You know what? Easily check. Let's have Derive do it.
Derive. Open up.
Give us the pen in case that's wrong, and you can circle it.
Derive.
Right, well anyways, y derived is loading, we'll come back to that in a sec. Oh no, we need it for the next part.
Yeah, that function deriving
Give it a second. You don't understand how hard it is to record and do everything else at the same time. Have you got Drive open? Maybe you give me your laptop? Right, call out the function, the original question. 4x e power 2x and integrate. And it is my answer which is correct. Yep. Now I'll expand it actually because they kept it as brackets. Suit yourself. Well, I won't put it in now because, well, I'll show you as proof. KJ, just look up. KJ, just look up. This is the function they ask you to integrate, correct? So I'll integrate it. I'll put the constant as c. I'll integrate. I get this. I'm going to expand it. So it's no brackets. This is exactly what I got, isn't it? Therefore, I am correct. Part 2. dy dx. Whatever mistake you made, the person who wrote the market scheme made the same mistake. So you have something in common.
That question is compromised, but the next question, she then asks to use that to find.
So then that answer is going to be wrong as well. Right. Okay. So we want to solve this ODE. We get y squared dy equals 4x e 2x dx. Ha. Right, what point do we use? 0, 3, isn't it? 0, what? 3. So I got C is 10 when I used it. And he got 11 because he has an extra 2 here, which means, yeah, so he's going to have it 1 extra. So I have to circle that as being wrong as well. Huh? 2 people.
So like if this person marks the exam and you do the right thing, you're going to win.
It'll be discussed at the meeting after the exam. Yeah. Right, so that's not quite finished.
So I'm sure they didn't see this and mark everybody wrong.
Sometimes they do. It's just life.
Just like
Yeah. Y cubed over 3 equals 2x e2x minus e2x plus 10. So then y equals cube root of 6x e2x minus 3e2x plus 30. He probably has plus 33 in his answer.
yes.
Yeah. Can I look at the C part now? Integrate cosec x pi cos x squared, and wants it from pi over 6 to pi over 4 dx. Because they want the volume. Now, have you got the formula book with you, KJ? You have it, don't you?
What's it looking for?
Why did I just write the same thing again? Can I have the formula book, please? I just need it for a minute. I know there is a formula in the book for cos squared. Cos x squared, yeah. Yeah, it's actually a formula for minus cos squared. So I'll just put a minus here and a minus here. And minus cos squared, what you say, integrates the cotan. So minus pi cotan x.
Oh, right.
Yeah, I know, I'm surprised too. So what is cotan, KJ?
1/tan.
1/tan. Pi over 4 and pi over 6. What is tan pi over 4? That's 1. And what's tan pi over 6? Is that root 3? What? Tan pi over 6. Oh, I need to be in radian mode. Yeah, root 3 over 3. So this will be 3 over root 3 minus 1 times pi. Does he want it exactly? How does he leave the answer?
Anyway, you put 0.735.
Is that what this is?
Yeah, and there was decimal as well.
Zero. What did you say? What is the decimal?
0.732 pi or 2.3.
But did they have it in this form?
Something like pi into brackets 5 then root 3 minus 1.
Root 3 minus 1.
Yeah, it's correct if you look for rational answers.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. I think I will do that. So that will be multiply the top and bottom by root 3 minus 1 pi. Do they leave this as one of the possible answers? Okay. Can I close this?